Hello class and welcome to week 5 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, you will be continuing with the Health Learning module for week 2. So let's go to that. For this week, if you're looking at the calendar at the end of the week, after you've done everything in English 101, you'll be working on your responses and your reflections for ACLT 053 Online. So please check the calendar weekly to see what is coming up due near the end of the week. For this week, you'll be looking at the discussion board and you'll be reflecting on what you have done in English 101 Online. So for the Health Week 2 discussion post, you are going to reflect on the fact that you've completed a chart using the information from all 4 texts from weeks 1 and 2 of English 101, and then you've composed 2 to 3 paragraphs where you summarize the ideas from the information in your health module. Now I want you to revisit some of these health essential questions. Number 1. Are American food industries deliberately deceiving consumers on where the foods they eat come from? Number 2, would implementing a food policy by the government in the U.S. really save millions of lives? Number 3, if overeating is an addiction, should medication be used to curb chronic obesity? Please consider how your experiences connect with these articles. You may infuse personal experiences, examples from people you know, things you've read, and so forth. And of course, explain and discuss how these examples work and how they provide support. Make sure that you've organized your responses in about 2 to 3 really good organized paragraphs. Include at least 2 examples from the sources, and please use in-text citation, that would be last name of the author and page or paragraph number, at the end of any direct quote or even any summaries that you've taken from an article but you've put into your own words. Make sure you have in parentheses at the end of the sentence the last name of the author and the page or paragraph number. And finally, don't forget your MLA style works cited entry at the end for your sources. Then please make sure to respond to at least 2 other peers. Please give them something substantive, not just I like what you said, but find out how you can expand on what they've said, build on something that they've said, ask questions even, share insights from what you've done. And so that's what I'd like for the first post. And for the other post for the following day, you're going to be doing your Module 2, Week 2 Reading and Writing Reflection. This is where you're going to reflect on all that you've learned, the Lumen, the videos, the articles, and you're going to talk about what you used to think and what you now think. You're going to talk about the connections you've made to the readings, personal examples, of course, what you see, what you think, what you wonder. I hope this information was helpful. Good luck.